Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stream your favorite games on Kick using Streamlabs. First things first, head over to kick.com and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. It's quick and easy. Just enter your details and verify your email. So once you have an account, go ahead and log into your account. So once you're logged in, click on this icon right here at the top right corner, go to settings. From the settings, we are going to be needing the account URL and stream key. So go ahead and click on this stream key option. So what we have to do now is to head back and make sure that we have Streamlabs installed on our computer. So once Streamlabs is installed, go ahead and open the application, and then the next thing you want to do is to click on this settings option. Once you click on that, you find the stream option. Click on that, and then you have to click on this drop down and make sure that custom streaming server is selected. Once that is selected, you need to get your URL from Kick. So go ahead and click on this copy icon, copy and paste it right here, and you have to do the same for the stream key as well. So I'll go to the website, copy the stream key, click on this to copy, and head back to paste it right here. So once that is pasted, click on done. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is to add a scene and sources. All right, so click on this plus sign to add a scene, give your scene a title, and click on done. So once that is added, you're going to find it right here. I already have it added. So next thing, we have to add a game capture source. All right, I already have this added. So make sure the game you want to live stream on Kick is already opened on your computer. All right, so once it's opened on your computer, click on this plus sign, and then you're going to find the game capture option. Select it and click on this add source button. All right, so once it's added, you're going to find it right here, and you're going to find this image right here. If your game is already opened on your computer, this is going to capture the game, and you can now start streaming the game. All right, so you can go ahead and just minimize this and play the game on the background. Right, so that's it. So once you're playing the game, it will be streaming it on the Kick website if you have clicked on this go live button. So make sure you click on the go live button before heading to play the game. So that's it guys on how to stream your favorite games on Kick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.